Hey everyone, welcome to Swap Path. Today, we're diving into something every guy wants to know: how to get a girlfriend in 7 steps. But here's the truth. Most guys go about this completely wrong. They try too hard, overthink everything, or chase women in a way that actually pushes them away. So, if you're ready to stop making the same mistakes and finally attract the right person, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have the mindset, confidence, and skills to meet someone genuinely interested in you. Let's get started. Step 1. Are you even ready? A lot of guys want a girlfriend. But wanting something and being ready for it are two very different things. If you feel like you need a girlfriend to be happy, if you think a relationship will somehow fix your life, you're already setting yourself up for failure. Here's why. Women don't want to fill a void in your life. They want to be with someone who's already secure, confident, and happy on their own. Think about it. Would you want to date someone who's emotionally dependent on you? Someone who feels incomplete without you? Probably not. That's why the first step isn't about women at all. It's about you. Ask yourself, am I happy with the person I am? Would I want to date me? If I was already in a relationship, would I still be proud of the life I have? If the answer is no, a girlfriend isn't going to solve your problems. Instead of chasing women, chase self-improvement. Focus on your career, passions, and personal growth. Build a life you love. Because once you do, the right person will want to be part of it. Step 2. Rewrite your story. Let's say you've worked on yourself. You feel good about who you are. But that doesn't guarantee you'll attract the right person, because your mindset still plays a huge role in your success. A lot of guys talk themselves out of opportunities before they even begin. They see a woman they're interested in and think, she's way out of my league. She probably wouldn't even give me the time of day. And guess what? If you think that way, you'll act that way. You'll hesitate, overthink, and come off as nervous or insecure. But here's the truth. Attraction isn't just about looks. Confidence, humor, and personality completely change the way women see you. So let's try something different. Instead of thinking, she's out of my league, say, she seems interesting. I'd like to get to know her. Instead of thinking, she won't like me, ask yourself, do I even like her? This simple shift changes everything. When you see yourself as an equal instead of someone trying to impress her, you naturally become more confident, relaxed, and attractive. Step 3. Let go of expectations. This might be the biggest mistake guys make. They walk up to a girl expecting something to happen. Maybe she'll be the one. Maybe this will lead to a date. Maybe this will finally be the relationship they've been waiting for. And that expectation creates pressure. The more pressure you feel, the more awkward, nervous, and unnatural you become. But guys who are successful with women, they don't care. They don't go into conversations expecting a relationship. They're just having fun, enjoying the moment, talking to people for the sake of talking. So remind yourself, not every conversation will change your life. Some won't go anywhere. Some will be fun but short-lived. And that's okay. When you let go of expectations, you remove the pressure. And when you're relaxed and natural, that's when attraction happens effortlessly. Step 4. The right way to approach women. Now that your mindset is in the right place, let's talk about the actual approach. This is where a lot of guys freeze. They overthink. They hesitate. They try to come up with a perfect opening line. But here's the secret. What you say doesn't matter nearly as much as how you say it. Confidence, body language, and tone of voice are far more important than any pickup line. When you approach a woman, keep it simple. Smile. Make eye contact. Speak like you're already comfortable. You don't need a clever line. Just say something casual like, "Hey, you seem interesting. I had to come say hi. You have a great vibe. What's your name?" It's not about impressing her. It's about showing that you're comfortable and confident in your own skin. And if she's interested, she'll make it easy for you. Step 5. Actually listen. Once the conversation starts, another mistake guys make is talking too much about themselves. They think they need to impress her, so they brag, dominate the conversation, or interrupt. But women aren't looking for a guy who can talk about himself for hours. They want someone who actually listens. So instead of waiting for your turn to speak, focus on understanding what she's saying. Ask her about her interests. Make observations about her personality. Show genuine curiosity. When you do this, she'll feel a connection, not because you're impressive, but because you make her feel understood. Step 6. Make your intentions clear. After talking for a while, you'll hit a point where you need to take action. If you like her, let her know. Don't be vague. Don't beat around the bush. Say something like, I really enjoy talking to you. Let's continue this over coffee this weekend. I like your energy. Let me grab your number. The key here, confidence and decisiveness. If she's interested, she'll appreciate the clarity. If she's not, that's okay, because you'll walk away with your confidence intact. Step 7. The power of respect. The last and most important step. Respect. Not just in a good manners way, but in how you see her as a person. Women don't want to feel like a prize to be won. They want to know you like them specifically, not just because you want a girlfriend. So be intentional. Value her thoughts and opinions. Respect her choices. Don't pressure her into anything. This kind of respect makes you stand out, because it's rare. And when a woman sees that you genuinely appreciate her for who she is, that's when real attraction happens. And there you have it, 7 steps to getting a girlfriend. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because we've got more game-changing content on the way. Thanks for watching Swap Path, and I'll see you in the next one.